Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a critical topic for anyone flying an aircraft with a FADEC engine, the dreaded FADEC. A fail message. It's one of those alerts that can definitely get your heart rate up. So let's break down what it means, what to look for, and how to approach it. First off, what is FADEC? It stands for Full Authority Digital Engine Control. Think of it as the brain of your engine. It manages everything from fuel flow to ignition timing, ensuring your power plant runs at peak efficiency and performance. Most modern FADEC systems are dual-channel, meaning they have a channel A and a channel B. This redundancy is a key safety feature. If one channel has a problem, the other one is designed to take over seamlessly, keeping your engine running smoothly. So, when you see FADEC fail, it's telling you that the primary channel, Channel A, has stopped communicating or is malfunctioning. The system has likely already switched over to Channel B, which is now in full control of the engine. While the engine should continue to operate normally, you've essentially lost your safety net. You're now flying on a single-channel system, and any further failure in Channel B could have serious consequences. What are the symptoms you might experience? In some cases, you might not notice anything at all, other than the alert on your display. The switch over to Channel B can be that smooth. However, depending on the nature of the failure, you might feel the engine running a bit rough, or you might notice slight fluctuations in engine parameters. The most obvious symptom, of course, is the warning message itself. This is your cue to pay close attention and start thinking about your next steps. The immediate action is to fly the aircraft and follow your aircraft's specific emergency procedures for this type of failure. Once you're safely back on the ground, the real diagnostic work begins. Where do you even start looking? The FADEC unit itself is typically located on the engine side of the firewall, or sometimes mounted near the cylinders. It's a robust piece of electronics, but it's not invincible. The first and simplest thing to check is the power supply to Channel A. A loose connection or a tripped circuit breaker can easily cause the channel to go offline. Use a multimeter to verify you getting the correct voltage at the FADEC Unit S connector for Channel A. Check the entire circuit, from the breaker to the unit itself. If the power supply looks good, the next step is to inspect the wiring. This is often the culprit. Engine compartments are harsh environments with lots of vibration and heat. Wires can chafe, connectors can become loose or corroded, and pins can get bent or pushed back. You'll want to carefully inspect all the sensor inputs that feed into Channel A. This includes things like crankshaft position sensors, manifold pressure sensors, and temperature sensors. A fault in one of these critical sensors can cause the entire channel to flag a failure. Look for any signs of wear, abrasion, or heat damage on the wiring harnesses. Don't forget to check the grounding wires. A bad ground can cause all sorts of strange electrical ground. While you're inspecting the wiring for Channel A, it's a good practice to give the wiring for Channel B a thorough look as well. After all, it's been exposed to the same conditions. If the power and wiring all check out, the problem might be with the FADEC module itself. At this point, you can test the backup channel. Following the maintenance manual's procedure, you can often force the system to run on Channel A to see if the fault is still present. If Channel B works perfectly and Channel A consistently fails despite having good power and wiring, it's a strong indication that the FADEC unit itself needs to be repaired or replaced. Repairing the FADEC unit is a job for a specialized shop or the manufacturer. These are complex pieces of hardware and software. For most of us, the solution will be to replace the module. It's usually a straightforward swap. But always, and I mean always, follow the procedures in your aircraft's maintenance manual. After replacement, you'll need to perform a series of ground runs and system checks to verify that both channels are operating correctly before the aircraft is returned to service. So, to recap, a FADEC fail message means your primary engine control channel is down and you're running on the backup. Land as soon as practicable. On the Grund, diagnose by checking power, then meticulously inspecting all associated wiring and connectors for Channel A. If those are good, the FADEC module itself is the likely suspect. Dealing with engine alerts can be stressful, but understanding the system helps you handle the situation calmly and troubleshoot it effectively. I hope this overview gives you a clearer picture of what's happening behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on aircraft systems and maintenance. Fly safe out there.